Today I'm just going to do a quick little how-to install on for the 2025 mt09 SP evotech radiator guard. Doesn't seem to be too complicated. So you're going to have these little rubber things that come in, and they're going to be put together like these are, and you just rip them apart. And then you stick them on these little metal cutouts. Kind of tough to get on, especially if you have sausage fingers like me, but very doable. And now I'm taking these and doing the same, and there's little specific holes like this, but they're like kind of hard to find sometimes, but they're in the same general location. Like there's the honeycomb shape or whatever, and then there's an actual hole for these. And I've got some in here I've stuck in. Do that. Sometimes I found it handy to get one of these, or like a tiny thing. This is a very tiny Allen wrench. I don't know if you can see it, but it's very tiny, and it helps push. You can kind of help push it into place if it's giving you troubles. Yeah, I can spit on it too. That might help as well. Come on now. There we go. 2 more. And they go on the side. So there's a curved side here, and the thicker part goes on the part that faces in towards the engine or the radiator. I could leave this out. Could leave that out if I didn't want to go nameless, but I don't represent, you know? That's upside down. This is off center, which is always a little annoying to me, but also there's a weird thing with the mt09 where the frame and stuff, like some things are off center, but they make it balanced still. Maybe I'll show you, but my OCD brain doesn't always like that. But here we are, it's gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be fine. Gosh. Like this. You get these little things and this whole business. Wow. I am experienced at stuff that I'm doing. Any buzzing thing with a stinger, stay away from me. If you didn't know, you're sitting on a bucket. I didn't realize it at the time, but these things at the bottom of the radiator are upside down. The things that are supposed to grip the bottom of the radiator. I do realize this later and kind of am able to show you while it's on. Huh. Okay, it's not that difficult, I guess. It's not popping off. Okay, hooks onto the top here, simple enough, and it kind of squeezes in on the sides, and then it looks like let's see here. That's not right. Alright. It's kind of hard to see with these parts when they're so small. I did it wrong. Okay, yeah, I just need to flip it around. I don't know if you can see there. You can kind of see up in there. Yeah, the lip is facing up. And it's gonna go on this little lip once I get the other one. changed around.
As far as I can remember, it takes a 3 or 4 millimeter Allen wrench. I believe a 3. And I'm just tightening up the bolts. I specifically try not to over tighten them just because it seemed like you could probably ruin the rubber parts. Just making it pretty snug. And here I'm just trying to get the bottom lips to go over the bottom ridge of the radiator. And it takes a little bit of force, nothing crazy, but you kind of got to work both sides in.
There you have it. Installed. Not bad. Cool beans.